Alright, hello everyone, hope you're having a great weekend. In the last video I showed how to use YAD to invoke the color picker, and we did that through the run command. Open the run command, enter YAD --color, and it opens up the color picker. So maybe you'd like to have a menu entry for that instead of having to open it through the run command. I don't know, maybe you would. Be kind of nice. I don't know. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how you can use two different methods to have it available in your actual menu. And of course I'm on Openbox, so if you're using one of the other versions, the second method's not going to work for you because I'm going to be doing it, making an actual entry in the Openbox menu. But the first one will work on any system. So what we're going to do, I've already got the file manager pulled up here. So we want to go to .local, and if you don't have a .local already in your file manager, you can just create that. We want to go to .local, share, applications, okay? And you might have to actually create all of those, but that will be the file path you want to use in your home folder if you have to create every one of those parent folders there for the applications that you add to your system. As you see, I already have it. So what we're going to do, we're going to right click and we're going to create a new empty file. And you can call this whatever you want to. I'm going to call it YAD Color. But you have to end it with a .desktop. Okay? So we have YAD Color .desktop. Going to hit OK. And now we're going to open that up with our text editor. And let me go ahead and increase the font size so that it'll be a little easier for you guys to see what I'm doing. Now, first thing we're going to do is in brackets, we're going to put desktop entry. Okay, so that'll be your first line. Next, we're going to put the name. In other words, name equals whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it color picker. You might want to call it color chooser. You might want to call it anything. But at least we know what's being, at least you'll know to yourself what you're trying to open up from the menu. Comment, you don't have to put a comment, but if you want to, you can comment. Let's see, a good comment for this is pick colors from your screen. Next, we're going to put the execute. Now, the execute is going to be what we used when we tried to call it from the run command. YAD --color. Okay. Terminal, we're going to put false. Type equals application. The icon equals. Now I went ahead and searched for some icons, and we've got G Color 3 or G Color 2 or G Color. Those two are the same. These two are the same. I like that G Color 3. I'm using the Papyrus folders. So that's what we're going to use. G-Color 3. I think that's all we need. If it doesn't work, I'll come back and change this, okay? Categories. What category do you want it to appear in your menu? Well, we want it to appear in, or I want it to appear in graphics. Okay? So that's what I'm going to do. Graphics, and after the word graphics, put a colon. Or is that a semicolon? It's the one with the little hangy down part right there. And that should do it. Now we will save that file. Let's look at our, and there it is. Now let's see if it actually appeared in the menu. There it is. Now let's see if it'll actually open it. Hooray! It worked! We can do it! Okay. Well, maybe you don't want to have an actual application file for it. So what else can we do? Let's see. This next one, if you're using Openbox, will be a lot quicker. I'm going to go to Advanced Settings, Obmenu-Generator, Menu Schema. And what I'm going to do, let me just go full screen with this. Obmenu-Generator is the menu that is used. So what I'm going to do is go all the way down to Miyo Accessories. Oh, this is still kind of... Let me see if there's something with a little better... Okay. What we're dealing with here, when you make a new entry in the menu, you'll use the name, or actually no, that's not right. You'll use the command, the label, and what the label is how it will be named in the menu, and then an icon. Okay? So you're going to have a command, a label or name, and the icon you want to use. Now I could make this a lot smaller text so that everything would fit on one line, but unfortunately I'm not going to do that because I want you to see. Let me try to shrink it just a little bit. Maybe you'll still be able to see it. See if 16 will. That almost got it all on one line. Alright, that's good enough. So we're going to make what I want to do. Let's do this. And I'll explain all this. I'm highlighting this whole section right here so it'll be even. I'm going to come down here to the next line. This right here is actually part of this line. Okay? So I want to come down here and start this. Whoops. Now you have to do this. You have to put it in a bracket. We're going to put the command, which is YAD space -- color. Apostrophe, and then a comma. Tab over, apostrophe. This is what you want it to be called. Color picker. Another apostrophe, another comma, and then we're going to go all the way over and name the icon, which was G Color 3, and put an apostrophe, a bracket, and I cannot remember what these squiggly brackets are called, but it needs one of those. You have to close it out. Okay, so give you just a moment to look at that, and I will try, if YouTube will let me, I'll try to put both of those, the desktop application entry, and I'll try to put this in the description. Alright, let's save it. I'm not going to close it out yet because I want to make sure it worked. Go down to Miyo Accessories, and there it is, Color Picker. Let's click on it, make sure it works. And it works. So there you go, guys. Hope that helped some people out. And you guys have a great rest of the weekend. Thanks for watching. Take care.